Caillou and Rosie. As you can see, we are now at the subway station, and we want you two to be on your best behavior, especially you, Caillou. You better not do anything bad or else. Okay, now we want you two to wait here while we buy the tickets, okay?
Okay, Mom and Dad.
Wow, I see a train coming. And I got an idea for the perfect prank.
Rosie, get over here now! There's something I need to show you.
I'm coming, Caillou. Mom, what do you need to show me?
This. That was so hilarious.
Okay, Caillou and Rosie, we now have the tickets. Caillou, where is Rosie?
Come.
Caillou, you better tell us or you're grounded.
Come. I may have pushed Rosie onto the tracks and got her hit by the train. Is it really that big of a deal?
That big of a deal? Are you serious, Caillou? You got Rosie killed. Of course it's a big deal.
You are grounded for 814369029618506890654850916 years.
But Mom and Dad, won't she just respawn in the next episode due to the anime logic?
We don't care, and for breaking the fourth wall, you are grounded for an additional 987-318-6294-4739-485-14425-03785-07350-735-07350-26 years.
When this trip is over, you will go straight to your room and never come out.